Alright, we are replacing a Mammoth Roller on a 3070 EX door. The reason we're replacing it, the adjustment screw got stuck in place. We raised it all the way up and now it's seized up. So there is no more adjustment on that screw. We already went ahead and removed the assembly screw and 2 roller screws on each side. So it's 1 assembly screw and 2 roller screws on each side. Those have been removed already. Once you do that, just tap the interlockers away from the rail so the rail can slide out easier. Once you tap the rail out, you should be able to pull it out by hand. Now, keep working until it comes out. This is the roller that is defective. It's actually a set screw on the top of the rail that holds the roller in place. So we're going to go ahead and remove that screw. Slide the old defective roller out. Slide the new one. And you will see the hole that it plugs into. And you will see how much space you need on either side. And that will hold it in there. The set screw will hold the roller in place. Once you got that accomplished, slide it back on. Make sure the vinyl is set back onto the glass. Sometimes you might need to spread the interlockers a little bit more. Just tap them. All that's left, for this side, screw everything back in place. Which includes 1 assembly screw and 2 roller screws per side. Once you got that screwed in on both sides, pop the panel back in and you're good to go.